When it comes to keeping your workspace safe, clean, and efficient, having the right tools makes all the difference. Introducing our push-type magnetic sweepers, a simple, powerful solution designed to quickly and effectively remove unwanted metal debris from your environment. Available in both light-duty and heavy-duty models, these sweepers are built to suit a wide range of applications. Whether you are working in a small workshop or managing a larger industrial space, there is the size and strength to match your needs. Standard off-the-shelf units are available in 610mm and 914mm widths, making it easy to choose the right option for your operation. And with various sizes available, you can select the perfect fit for your specific requirements. One of the standout features of these units is the quick release mechanism after collecting ferrous contaminants like nails. Screws or metal fragments simply activate the release system to release the debris, making cleanup fast, easy, and completely hassle-free. No bending, no manual handling, and no wasted time. These push-type sweepers are especially effective in smaller areas, making them ideal for driveways, factories, workshops, garages, small yards, and even stables. Wherever metal debris poses a risk, these sweepers provide a reliable and efficient solution. Whether your goal is to prevent tire damage, protect equipment, or maintain a safer working environment, these magnetic sweepers deliver consistent, reliable results. For more information or to find the right solution for your needs, contact us today for a no-obligation quote. Clean smarter, work safer, and let the right tools do the work.